I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to create a regular email broadcast. A regular broadcast email is a one-time shot email which is sent out to either your entire list or a portion of your list. It's one email that goes out at a certain time when you schedule it to send, unlike an email sequence which gets triggered when someone performs an action or subscribes to your list. Regular emails are great for making announcements or sending out time-sensitive information. So to create a regular email, we go into our campaigns and we click Email Regular. And then Create New. And then we're going to name our campaign. And the type's regular. Don't select a sequence because it's a regular campaign. Choose the list that we want our regular campaign to go out to. Then we can select a segment if we want to send our email to just a portion of our list. We can choose to send the email out to only people who are within a certain lead score. So we can set up lead score for when someone clicks on a link or opens a campaign, they get a certain amount of lead score. And here we can see the tags that are available for the list. There's none for this list. But if you'd set up tags for when someone clicks a certain button or takes another action, they would show up here. And then you can select to only send to subscribers with these certain tags. Everything here is just choosing the subscribers that you want to send the email broadcast to. And when you're happy with who you want it sent out to, just click Save and Next. Then you're going to choose the from name, so this is who it's going to appear from in their inbox. The from email. So our verified emails that we've verified are the only ones that we can select. And then the address that we want them to reply to. And if you don't want them to reply, you can just simply put no reply at yourdomain.com. And then you can have it to their certain name. So if you've got a first name, you can click first name, and then it's going to go to their first name instead of their email address. Then it's going to show up to their first name instead of to their email address. And then you can enter your subject line, and you can choose the available tags there as well if you want to personalize it. So if I put hello F name, that's then going to go hello and then the name of your subscriber. When you're happy with that, click Save and Next. And then you're going to edit your email. You can use pre-built templates here if you want to quickly customize. You can just drag and drop, and you can simply edit the text and edit the image ready to send. You can add a bunch of formatting and change the font and a load of other cool things here, add links, etc. And if you want even more advanced options, you can change to the HTML editor, but make sure you save first, otherwise all your changes here will disappear when you click change to the HTML editor. Once you're happy with how your email looks, click Save and Next. And now you simply need to choose when to send it. Choose the date that you wish to send and the time that you wish to send. And then you can click to check your spam score to make sure that you haven't got any spam words, likelihood of it hitting the inbox. And then when you're ready to send, just click Save and Activate. And then your email will send out at the specified time. Once your email's been sent, you can have a look at the overview, and it's going to tell you all of your stats. Once your campaign has sent, you can click the overview and it's going to show you all the stats for your email. Because it's not yet sent, you can't see the stats. So I'm going to click on one that's already sending or sent to show you how many emails were successfully sent, the open rate, the click-through rate, the bounce rate and the unsubscribe rate, and all the cool info that goes with that. And then below you can see more information and the whole campaign overview. For your regular email, this would be regular type, and then all the information for your email. So in this video we went over how to set up a regular email broadcast.